Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make chicken chili, and it's very easy and delicious recipe, and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I'm going to slice the first chicken. So chicken here I take boneless chicken thigh. Now I'm going to slice, and second we need short knife. It's very short, and just I'm going to slice the chicken how much as you can thin, make it like this. So I'm going to keep like a big chunk. Okay, now here I already sliced all chicken. Marinate. For marinate ingredient, very simple. Here I'm going to add some garlic, just a little bit salt. Salt according to need you can add, and some black pepper. And 2 teaspoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 teaspoons cornflour, and finally I'm going to add 1 egg. Now once all the ingredients done, now we're going to mix this. Mix it all the ingredients very nicely. After that I'm going to cover and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, take a cucumber and I'm going to remove the inside seed. Now I'm going to cut a little big chunk. Slice the cucumber. So garlic I'm going to cut. Garlic also big chunk. Okay, now my all vegetable is ready. Now set aside. So chicken totally I marinate 15 minutes. How much longer you can marinate chicken or whatever you need marinate, it will be nice flavor come. So I'm going to drop the chicken one by one. Now after golden brown color, now I'm trying to take out all chicken. When you take the chicken, just reduce the heat and next I'm going to take out all. here I put sliders, so this extra oil is all going downside. Now repeat for all cooking. Alright, now I'm going to make sauce. For sauce ingredient, it's very simple. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon cooking wine and 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons I'm gonna add tomato ketchup, so this also I'm going to use. Alright, now I'm gonna add, before make sauce, so I'm not going to add oil. Leftover marinade sauce also I'm going to add. Just a little bit water. Next I'm going to add chili base. Chili is optionally. How much you want to eat spicy you can add. Now it's time to add all ingredients. Here I'm gonna add some red chili also. Mix for all ingredients very nicely. Cover and leave it for just 1 minute. Cornflour water, it will make little gravy. Add just a little bit salt more. Alright guys, so this is my final result and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And for more video guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.